Pakistan salutes you. You have not only safeguarded our borders, but you lifted the hearts of 240 million Pakistanis. Let me also express deep and sincere appreciation to the nation who stood by us. Countries that raised their voice to peace, called out to justice, and to ensure the solidarity with Pakistan's right to defend itself. Your support reaffirms that in